I'm Susan. Today I'm going to try a new recipe in my crock pot, and it's spicy pork chops. It sounds good and it sounds easy, and that's right up my alley, especially this time of year. So I hope everybody's doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe you'll need center cut loin pork chops, 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 onion sliced, 1 green bell pepper cut into strips, an 8-ounce can of tomato sauce, 3 to 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, I'm opting for 4, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and 1 to 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. Now it said 5 to 6 center cut pork chops, but I'm going to just do the whole thing. So that's why I went with the extra brown sugar, and I may just kind of like keep the rest of the stuff to take care of it. Now I'm going to begin by heating up my oil and browning my pork chops, and then I'll just add them into my slow cooker. Now I want to add the rest of my ingredients into my slow cooker, and I want to cook it on low for 6 to 8 hours. And here it is, and it was really good. It's something my family said that they would love to have again. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Give this recipe a try. The peppers and onions really gave it good flavor. So until next time, bye y'all.